Good morning, student. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. This is the simple interest part 12. Question is like this: divide 32,000 into two parts in such that one part is lent at 6% and another part is 10%. So there are two parts. So part 1 and part 2. There are two parts, part 1 and part 2. Suppose part 1 and part 2. So one is r equal to 6%, r equal to 10%. It is given. Okay, so 32,000 two parts divided. One is lent at 6%, other is 10%. Total interest on and 3 years is itna. So t equal to 3 years, t equal to 3 years. Total interest means part SI1 whatever it will be plus SI2 whatever it will be, both sum equal to 6840. Okay, SI1 plus SI2 both will make 6840. It says like this. Okay, so we have to make 32,000 into two parts. Okay, I'll put some example. Suppose that 5 you have to divide into two parts. One part is 2. What will be another part? What another part will be 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Very simple, because 2 plus 3 makes 5. Okay, if one part is 1, what will be another part? 5 minus 1 equal to 4. One part is x. What will be another part? 5 minus x. Okay, it always comes 5 minus x. It won't solve until and unless we know the value of x. X is the variable. Okay, similarly, if you are making 32,000 into two parts, one part is x, what will be another part? 32,000 minus x. Okay, this approach. Okay, so one part is x, so one part is x, another part is 32,000 minus x. Now picture is very clear. This is p, this is principal, this is rate, this is t, principal, rate, t, SI1, find out the SI2 on both. Add. So what is the formula of SI? SI ka formula becomes SI1. Okay, p into r into t, p into r into t upon 100. Okay, x into 6 into 3 upon 100. So 6 3 is 18, 18x upon 100. Okay, SI2, what will be the SI2? SI2 will be 32,000 minus x into 10 into 3 upon 100. So 10 3 is a 30. 30 I'll keep ahead of this bracket. 32,000 minus x upon 100. Okay, you have got the value of SI1 plus SI2. So put the value of SI1 here, put the value of SI2 here, or make it equal to 6840. So 18x upon 100 plus 30 into 32,000 minus x upon 100 equal to 6840. Okay, 100 is the LCM, so it will added above 18x, 30 will get multiply inside. So 30. Okay, I'll directly multiply. 30 will multiply here and here as well. Both distributive properties. It also get distributed with the first part. It also get distributed with the second part. Okay, so zeros 1 2 3 4 3 0 1 0 4 zeros so will come like this. 3 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 32 3 is 96,000. So minus 30 into x, 30x upon 100 will be like as it is, because 100 is the LCM. 100 is in division, it will go in the multiplications. 100 will go into the multiplication. When 100 will go here, 18x minus 30x, 18x minus 30x, what will it become? 12 18 2 12x. So 96,000 minus 12x 12x equal to 6840 and into 100. 100 means 100 से multiply करोगे तो what will you get? This one. Okay, so because it is in division, when it goes here it will be multiplying, so 100 का 2 zeros I am putting here directly. This is the number, this will come here, negative wala goes there. Okay, I'll just clean one side. Okay, so left hand side become 96,000, 9,60,000, sorry 96 नहीं, and 6,84,123 equal to 12x. So sorry, I counted 1 zeros wrong, so it is 9,60,000 minus 6,84,000, so ट्रिपल जीरोस का ट्रिपल जीरोस. ओके, 10 में से 4 गया 6, 5 में से 15 में से 8 गया 7, 8 में से 6 गया 2 इक्वल टू 12x. तो x इक्वल टू 12 विल गेट मल्टीप्लाई बाई डिवाइड बाई, दिस नंबर विल बी गेट डिवाइडेड बाई 12. 12 दूनी 24, 3 बचा, 12 3 36, 1 2 3. x का वैल्यू इज 23,000. इट्स वेरी इजी. ओके, x का वैल्यू इज 23,000. व्हाट इज द अनदर पार्ट? 32,000 माइनस x. तो 32,000 माइनस 23,000, 9,000. So one part is 23,000, another part will be 9,000. So this is the answer for this. So thus one part is 23,000 rupees and other part is 9,000 rupees. So this was all about this question. Do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much for watching the channel. Any comment you can put in the comment box. So comment box is available here. So thank you बच्चों for watching my channel. Thank you.